Hey guys, in this video we are going to be checking out top 8 best robot vacuum. The best robot vacuums take all the effort out of cleaning your home and do the hard work for you. That's why we've tested a range of models to bring you a selection of the very best robot vacuum cleaners for pet hair, hard floors, and even options that do a great job of carpets too. We make this list based on our personal opinion and average research. If you want more information, you should check the links in description below. Okay, so let's get started with video.
Ever wonder how clean your floors really are?
You've tried the old school broom, the not so handy mop, maybe even a robot vacuum that promises a lot but delivers too little. Introducing Narwhal, the world's first self-cleaning robot vacuum and mop with the most advanced navigation. First off, Narwhal takes care of vacuuming up pretty much anything off your floors. Most robot cleaners require remapping every time you use them, but Narwhal's home layout map can be used repeatedly once created. The map is created with the help of LiDAR technology. You know, what they use in driverless cars. Narwhal also avoids secondary contamination by making sure it doesn't pass over the spaces it's already mopped. You can even customize its cleaning strategy for different rooms and floors, like choosing which rooms to clean, in which order, how many times to clean, the type of floor, and it creates cleaning reports for you after it's done cleaning. Other robot cleaners clean the floor, and then you have to clean them. Defeats the purpose, if you ask me. Narwhal is totally self-cleaning. It automatically returns to the base station to clean, wash, and dry itself multiple times during mopping. And when the mopping is done, Narwhal keeps the mop dry and clean with its ventilation system. But the magic actually starts with the mopping. Other robot cleaners that claim to mop only sweep the floor. Narwhal has reinvented the mop. It has rounded triangular mops that press down on the floor and rotate to really clean away those stubborn stains. Narwhal mops clean 3 times as efficiently versus other robot cleaners. Narwhal is also ultra quiet. You'll almost forget it's there. With its awesome sweeping, vacuuming, and mopping tech, Narwhal will make you wish you'd found it sooner. Narwhal is built by a dedicated team of engineers and visionaries.
I got the idea to build Narwhal when I saw my mom struggling with mopping housework every day. So I decided to build a robot to help her and everyone in the world. We hope you can support us.
So for cleaner floors throughout your entire home at the push of a button, meet the iRobot Roomba 900 series vacuum cleaning robot. The power to change the way you clean. Keeping your home beautifully clean every day is hard but important work. Dust, dirt, and hair build up everywhere. The Roomba 900 series is your cleaning partner, designed to help you stay ahead of everyday mess. Thanks to its advanced iAdapt 2.0 navigation with visual localization, the Roomba 900 series seamlessly navigates an entire level of your home, moving effortlessly from room to room and from surface to surface, working non-stop, recharging and continuing automatically if necessary until your home is beautifully clean. A full suite of sensors and a visual localization system help the Roomba 900 series map your home as it cleans, so it always knows exactly where it is, where it's been, and where it needs to go next. Beneath its calm exterior, the Roomba 900 series cleaning system is hard at work. It automatically increases power on carpets and rugs, delivering up to 10 times the air power for an even deeper clean. The AeroForce 3-stage cleaning system balances the 3 components of effective vacuuming: agitation, brushing, and suction. And thanks to the new iRobot Home app, your powerful cleaning partner is always ready to go. You can start, schedule, and monitor the Roomba 900 series from just about anywhere, at any time. Unlike other vacuum cleaning robots, the Roomba is designed for real homes, inspired by the experience of over 13 million Roomba owners. Its low-profile design enables it to clean under furniture. A spinning side brush gently sweeps wall edges and corners. It expertly avoids stairs, deals with clutter, and hunts down dirt and dust wherever it hides, before performing a final edge clean for the perfect finish. In short, the Roomba takes care of all the hard work on the floor, leaving you free to take care of the other things life sends your way. Cleaner floors throughout your entire home, all at the push of a button. The Roomba 900 series, the power to change the way you clean.
Hi, nice meeting you. I'm Dbot Osmo T8, pioneered with TrueDetect 3D technology. I can detect objects as small as 1 millimeter and identify the obstacles instantly and precisely. TrueDetect 3D enables me to deliver powerful cleaning without collisions. Brand new True Mapping laser-based navigation technology maps your home for 2 times the coverage and 4 times the accuracy. Precisely displays the map on Ecovac's Home app. And more. The multi-floor mapping technology maps every floor of your home. 3 levels of suction power, from the carpet to the floor. No dust will be missed. With the revolutionary Osmo Pro mopping technology, you can enjoy the high-frequency vibration mopping power and say bye to stubborn stains on the floor. Dbot Osmo T8 senses everything, cleans everywhere. 2020 grand launch.
You've heard of Mops and Vacs, but rarely one that does both. For under $180 with a deal I found. I am so excited to be with you. This is spring cleaning season. We're trying to get better control over our home and our allergies and dust mites and this and pet dander. Take a look, I got you covered. The Cordy RoboVac does it all. It is a mop, a water tank, and a high suction vacuum. This works for carpets and floors around pets. It's self-charging when it's done. It docks itself, and it picked up more dirt and debris than any competing product we tested it against at under $600. I will tell you, it even has a remote so you can guide it in addition to its smart intelligent software that learns your home and cleans it so you can kick back, relax, and focus on the more important things like watching us and saving money. And the deal price that I found, under $180, not a paid product, free delivery on our website. Visit our station website /ways to save or just click the link located right under this video screen.
With our new Nito D7, Kat and I get along much better because we don't have to worry about who's going to get in trouble. With Nito D7, they use their voice to schedule cleanings. So they come back to a freshly vacuumed home, and it's nothing but love, man.
I still get to be me and express myself without having to deal with the consequences that come with that. It's crazy how this one thing completely eliminated all that dog fur.
And if there's an area that's off limits, it's easy to teach the D7 where not to go.
Nito uses lasers to map and navigate multiple rooms, then tells you exactly where it's cleaned.
So whenever I feel like chewing shoes, tearing up the paper towels, or yakking up the cat litter...
Dude, you eat my cat litter?
We both consider ourselves fairly domesticated, but there are just some instincts we won't ever be able to shake.
Tired of cleaning the house all the way down? iLife ShineBot can take your turn to do the rest of the work. Add clean water and it's ready to go. No matter soda, ketchup, or coffee stains, it tackles thick household stains and builds you a spotless home. And it keeps clear of the areas that you don't want it to clean, leaving a safe space for you. ShineBot W400 Tidal Power Cleaning System works in 4 steps: moisten, scrub, suction, and scrape to thoroughly clean household stains. Turn on the edge cleaning mode. Nothing can hide from the edges and corners. Its strong suction ensures to refresh your house when it passes by.
The second generation of robotic vacuum cleaners from Miele achieves a first-class cleaning performance. Quattro cleaning power makes the Miele Scout RX2 particularly powerful. The specially developed roller brush collects coarse dirt particles and fibers with a combination of dense bristles and rubber lips. Behind the roller brush is another suction area. This narrow opening is in close contact with the floor and picks up even the finest of dirt particles thanks to the high suction power. This high suction power comes from the high speed of the brushless power motor, which is particularly efficient and durable. The new corner brushes sweep dust reliably below the unit. These fan-shaped side brushes can reach along edges easily and ensure particularly thorough cleaning in corners. When the Scout RX2 encounters an obstacle, the flexible side arms are simply retracted to prevent the unit from getting caught. With Quattro cleaning power, which consists of side brushes, roller brush, suction aperture and motor, the Scout RX2 cleans extremely powerfully. This is supported by the floor covering detection system. The Scout RX2 detects carpets and cleans them with maximum power. With the perfect combination of Quattro cleaning power and floor covering detection, the Scout RX2 achieves a first-class cleaning performance on both hard floors and carpets. The Miele Scout RX2, powerful, intelligent, progressive.